Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can download and install the Chrome browser into your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and open the default browser of your Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match. Now maximize it. In the search bar, you need to simply type Chrome download. So Google Chrome is a fast and secure web browser. Also, this is the most commonly used browser nowadays. And here you'll find the first option from www.google.com, which is the official website. Now simply click on that. And here you'll find this download Chrome button. So this is for Windows 10 and 11. Simply click on download Chrome. And the installer file will be downloaded or the setup file. So let's just wait for that in a while. And once done, click on that and close the Edge browser. And let's just wait for the downloading process and the installation process to be successful so that we can sign in into our Chrome browser. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. And now this is installing the Chrome browser. So let's just again wait for a while. Now Chrome is installed. Now click on sign in and just simply type your email. So let me just quickly type my email. Let me just quickly enter my password. Click on yes, I'm in. But you can also click on no thanks. So back up your stuff and use it in any device. You can just simply click on no thanks. Scroll down and click on got it. And now you can now use the Chrome browser, which is a fast and secure web browser built to be yours. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.